Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 a.m. At 1:49 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richmond to near Woodstock to near Kingston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Park Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 59. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 355 between mile markers 29 and 30. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Boone County Fairgrounds, Chino Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Moraine Hills State Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, 6. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 58 Kankakee. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Kankakee, Will, and Iroquois counties in Illinois, as well as Newton and Lake counties in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 1:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago